Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you to understand the impact of timeframes on backtesting results. In backtesting, timeframe refers to the time interval used to analyze and process market data. In financial markets, price and trading data are often recorded and displayed using different timeframes, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. You can choose different timeframes as the basis for backtesting to simulate the performance of trading strategies under different market conditions. Different timeframes can affect the resolution of market data and may have different impacts on trading signals and execution. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the timeframe and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Timeframe option. The current time frame for the backtest is set to daily. Next, choose your desired time frame from the drop-down menu. You have three options: daily, weekly, and monthly. Now, let's switch it to weekly. Using a weekly time frame allows you to observe longer-term market trends and fluctuations, making it suitable for long-term trading strategies. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest using a daily time frame. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it's clear that when using a weekly time frame in the backtest, there are fewer trading occurrences, and the data changes accordingly. Analyzing individual trades, using a weekly time frame for backtesting can result in a longer holding period and actual trade execution. Additionally, when looking at the charts, the weekly time frame provides a better view of long-term market trends and fluctuations. In contrast, the backtest with a daily time frame produces more frequent trading signals and is better suited for monitoring daily fluctuations and capturing short-term opportunities. Therefore, when choosing the time frame, consider your trading objectives and strategy characteristics to make a reasonable selection. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the time frame feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.